Silver Age, Super Elegant, also selling Dieguito and Hoki Hawk. All set, ready to race number 3. Away they go, Hoki Hawk. From the outside, rushing up is Silver Ridge. Remus rushing up is entry number 6, and this one's Bebot, Remus, Hoki Hawk. Silver Ridge running in fourth by Daryl, and moving up from the outside is Idol Borong. There's some problem for entry number 5, Silver Ridge. Remus by about 2 lengths. Bebot, Hoki Hawk racing on the outside. Idol Borong is racing fourth on the outside, and by Daryl is Saga. And rounding the far turn, Remus by about 2 lengths. Hoki Hawk is running in second. Bebot, Saga, and Dieguito, Idol Borong on the outside, and Super Elegant joining them as they race the final corner. Hoki Hawk, the leader, followed by Idol Borong, Saga, Remus, Super Elegant on the further outside. Last 250 meters more to run. Hoki Hawk by a length and a half. And on the outside, Idol Borong, Super Elegant. Hoki Hawk, Idol Borong, Super Elegant. And nearing the finish line, Hoki Hawk. And finally, the horse of Mr. Kaloy Datu. Hoki Hawk, second. Super Elegant, Idol Borong, Saga, and